episode of Depreciation Nation, and we are back with our Audi 4000 project. But before we get into that, why don't you hit that subscribe button at the bottom of your screen if you don't want to miss some of the most eclectic automotive content on YouTube. Now, as you might have guessed from the thumbnail, we bumped into a few problems along the way, and the fact that this car is relatively uncommon in the world of 4000s, and the fact that this car had remained in a field for years, we knew we were going to bump into a few issues. Now, we went to replace brakes, and when we attempted to work with the rear passenger side, the caliper was seized, the bleed valve had broken off inside the caliper, and so we just ordered a replacement caliper from Rock Auto. It came, it was beautiful, we were very happy. However, when we got to the rear driver's side, we bumped into the same issue, except for the fact that the piston wasn't seized on that driver's side rear caliper. Now, if you have done any looking whatsoever, you will find that left rear calipers are far and few between. Thanks to our friend Josh with Nothing Leaves Stock out of Pennsylvania. He hooked us up with Find It Parts, who can access one of those left rear calipers. Now, we are going to go ahead and replace that left rear caliper, but the organization reached out and let me know that they were not going to have that until January or February of 2023. Now, we are pushing this car very hard to get this car to the Volkswagen Audi Porsche reunion September 25th in Cincinnati. So obviously we are not going to sit around and wait. Now, if you've noticed behind me, this is not my garage. We are actually at my parents' home, because when there is something that I cannot get done, my father usually knows how to get it done. Now, I did buy one of those thread repair kits, 4 calipers that comes with an insert and then a new valve. My father said he doesn't think we're going to need that. He thinks that we can get this broken off bleeder valve removed. So we are going to attempt to do that right now. If we need it, we've got that insert. And if we don't, we've got a new bleeder valve. So let's get going. And so we've got our caliper now repaired, complete with a new bleeder valve. We did not need to use the thread repair kit. We did not need to use the insert, as my father did not believe that we would need to. I want to thank him for helping me with this. We are going to throw this back on the car so that we can get it rolling soon. I still went through with that order on Find It Parts, because when that new caliper gets here, I am going to throw it on the car, if for nothing more than repair prevention on down the road. We are going to have a lot more with that car coming very soon. Make sure you hit that subscribe button at the bottom of your screen so that you don't miss that content, and we'll talk to you soon.